Hi there, my name is Victoria Dioh and I heal professionals who are unhappy. I help heal them through food, words and energy.
I simply heal you into happiness. I'm also an anointed African oracle. It's a story of my reluctance of embodying my purpose.
The magic of my hands and food allows me to cook for people and heal them in ways that they've never experienced before. Most impressive results that I've had with clients consist of one client who got put into a psychiatric unit for mental health and also violence, and working with him for over 6 weeks. And he actually came out and is now working, studying, and living a completely inspirational life. My clients normally say that the work with me is very unexpected because everything's tailored to who they are rather than a textbook format. So my clients will always say it's unexpected, it's phenomenal. One of the biggest things that they say is that I'm very straight talking, but they get incredible results from it. So if you'd love to know more, you can either follow the links on this recording or just look for me on social media, Manifestation Kitchen.